This is Ben from Testive, and we're looking at a prose fiction literary narrative question. The main purpose of the first paragraph is to. So this is a main idea, main purpose of a paragraph question. So we need to have read the first paragraph and understand its place within the passage. I'm going to get a quick preview of the options here. State the author's thesis in elaborate description, artfully introduce the main characters of the passage, detail the complex anatomy of flowers in a flower bed, vividly set the scene for the rest of the passage. Okay, so I'm not going to read this whole thing out loud here in this video, but here's what we can do. As you're reading through it, you're going to see a description of a flower bed. You're going to see description of the petals of the flower blowing through the breeze or being stirred by the breeze. The petals, kind of the color from the petals flashing through the air. And then some description of the people taking those in Kew Gardens. Okay, so this is a narrative passage. So the author doesn't have a thesis. So we can rule that one out. The author's not making an argument. Artfully introduce the main characters of the passage. Well, we just went through it and we see that there are actually no main characters in this first paragraph. So we can rule that out. Detail the complex anatomy of flowers in a flower bed. This gets closer. There are details, certainly. However, anatomy gives me pause. That word anatomy. I wouldn't say that there's sort of a scientific description of the flowers. Maybe, we see tongue-shaped leaves, unfurling, spots of color. But the next option should really put this to rest. Vividly set the scene for the rest of the passage. This description is nothing if not vivid. There's a lot of descriptions of colors and movement. And for the most part, it really is just setting a scene. You're not even introducing people until the very end of the paragraph. So we can rule out answer 3 and go with answer 4 because we got a better version of it.